We send our children to school to get good education, knowledge, and understanding of maths, science, and other subjects so they can better utilize and implement what they've learned. But is this truly what's happening? The way most of the schools around the world teach, it's sad to say that the way of instructions is ineffective. The question every parent must ask is, are the children learning effortlessly, able to retain or revise easily before the exam day? When I was growing up, and sadly even today, in most of the educational system, we adopt a method called to by heart, a common term in India called mugging up. To by heart or to mug up mathematical formulas, chemical equations, historical dates, and geographical locations without understanding the concept is a pity. Would you like to change that? Would you like your child to learn a great skill, effortlessly retain and recollect hundreds of formulas, derivations, dates, names, and numbers through a creative imagination concept? Then you come to the right place. But let me tell you, this is not only for your children. Are you a lawyer who wants to remember case laws? Are you a mathematician, an accountant who wishes to remember numbers? Are you a vivid traveler who wishes to recollect places? Are you a historian wanting to remember dates? Our program is for everyone and for all ages. The A Maha Memory Training program is only 30 hours in duration and conducted by renowned and qualified team with over 35 years plus experience. They have produced Guinness World Record holders for recollection of most number of random words or objects. Are you hesitating? Okay, don't worry. Why don't you log in for an online seminar this Saturday, 28th of August 2021. This is an online seminar, so you can log in from anywhere. But we are restricting this to Asian region only because the timing is 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. IST. Click on the Learn More button below to register yourself. You'll be glad that you attended this event. Thank you.